Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to allow location access on X app. If you want to get the most out of your experience, like finding nearby services, getting personalized recommendations, or using maps within the app, enabling location access is essential. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon, and you can find it either on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on that to open the list of all your installed applications. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find X app. Once you spot it, tap on the app's name to open its settings. Inside the app settings, look for a section called Permissions. This is where you control what the app can access on your device. Tap on Permissions to see a list of all the different features the app can use, like your camera, contacts, and, of course, your location. Next, find the option labeled Location. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for how and when the app can access your device's location. To enable location access, select Allow or Allow Only while using the app, depending on your preference and what your device offers. This will let X app use your location to provide you with the best possible experience. And that's it. You've successfully allowed location access for X app. Now you can enjoy all the features that depend on knowing where you are, with just a few simple taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.